All right, everybody's gone, but I wanted to show you something else. So this is the part that I modeled, hoping to get this kind of freedom when we print. It's really small, so it did not ask for support. I'll show it to you, maybe not. It's not working, so I'll see if I can make it work. Man, today's been a day of things not working, so there you go. Let's see if we can get the visualizer to work. No visualizer. All right, let's solve that problem. All right, so this is what I got. Granted, I did print it pretty small, right? This is what I wanted. I wanted a part that had some freedom to it. I was impressed that it printed this overhang, though. It actually did that. Like it printed in this position and it printed that part, you know, hanging out. It's a little weird, you know, it has some weird texture, but it's froze. It's so locked up, welded, I cannot move it. So it's not what I wanted, right? So I figured maybe this is just a little too small. So I double sized it, scaled it up, threw it into Bamboo, right? So in Bamboo, you can scale things. That's right here. I just went and said, okay, 100% uniform scale. So I went to 200, right? So now it's just bigger, same thing. And I went to slice it. And I got this warning, has floating parts. So pretty sure it's referring to this overhanging part here and that these two are not touching. This is essentially a floating part. So it says, I clicked more and it said add support. So there's an advanced button here. So you click on that and then you get all of these: strength, speed, support. So then I said, oh, let's enable support, and you'll see what it does. Slice the plate, boom. That's what I was more of what I was expecting on the first go around. So you can see it's adding support under this. It's making the support itself. So at this point, I am printing it, but you'll see that it went dramatically up in time. It's about 47 minutes now to print this part. It is twice the size and it has a pile of support around it. So I am going to let it finish and probably add to the video again, or at least post a picture up of what I end up with so you can see. So again, just trying to educate ourselves on this machine so we understand how it works. All right. Take care.